Please listen. Do you want to make Ayurvedic hair growth spray that targets all your hair horrors, slow hair growth, dandruff, shedding, balding, breakage, itchy scalp, etc.? Then you have to make this DIY. This hair tea is a goodie. You guys are going to love it. It really helps with any hair concern you may be experiencing. It is made with hair loving ingredients that will make you fall in love with your hair and scalp. If you are experiencing dandruff, lice, scalp inflammation, and slow hair growth, make this DIY hair growth tea. This DIY product promotes hair growth and fights against lice. It prevents dandruff and scalp inflammation. It controls premature graying, prevents baldness. It stimulates hair growth and strengthens the hair follicles. Welcome to the channel. My name is Tima. Please give this video a thumbs up before you leave. Leave a comment in the comment section if you wish. Please ensure you watch this video to the end as to get all the instructions. And lastly, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel. To begin, grab a jar. Make sure all apparatus to be used are well sterilized. To make this extreme hair growth spray, our first ingredient is mint leaves. Mint leaves is a great source of keratin and antioxidants that promotes hair growth and prevents hair fall. The potent antimicrobial and antifungal properties of mint leaves used to ward off dandruff, head lice, etc. Dandruff is a very common phenomenon and there are numerous ways to treat it. One of these is to use mint leaves. Mint leaves helps fight hair fall and can also be used to stimulate hair growth. If you're in Nigeria and wondering where to purchase mint leaves are sold in Nigerian markets, the section where you have veggies. Also, you can buy mint leaves from ShopRite. If you're in other countries and you're watching this, please let us know in the comment section where people can purchase mint leaves in your country. Thank you so much. For the proportion, I'm just going to be using about 4 to 5 stalks of the mint leaves. Please note that this proportion is going to be for 5 days of use. I'm just going to make the portion that will last me for 5 days. Moving on to my next ingredient, I have thyme. These are fresh thyme. Thyme is beneficial for hair because it is well known for its anti-inflammatory, antifungal, and antibacterial benefits. Thyme has been used for a healing herb to combat everything from respiratory issues to skin conditions to acne and to hair growth. Talking about hair growth, thyme delivers powerful nutrients to hair follicles that are necessary for healthy hair growth. Thyme also improves blood circulation to the scalp, which encourages growth. Thyme contains vitamins A, D, C, and vitamin B6, as well as several trace minerals such as magnesium, calcium, cobalamin, sodium, and potassium. All of these components make this magical herb a very beneficial ingredient for coily hair care. For the proportion, I added about 5 to 6 stalks of the thyme leaves into the jar and I poured about 500 ml worth of hot water into the jar just to brew it. Just so I could be careful with the nutrients, I chose this method of steeping it in hot water. You can boil these ingredients in hot water if you like, but this is just the perfect way I love to make mine. You can go ahead and boil yours if you want, but I feel this is the safest way because I never wanted to mess with the ingredients. So after steeping this for 12 hours, here is my result. I'll go ahead and strain using my strainer and a bowl to collect my hair tea. After which I will transfer this into my applicator bottle and it's ready for use. You can add essential oils if you like, just to help with sleep and also to help this hair tea to be more potent. You can add oils of your choice like olive oil, coconut oil, castor oil, whichever oil you like. You can add Optifen as your preservatives just to preserve this longer. But if you're not preserving this long, you can store in the refrigerator for only 5 days. After 5 days, it loses its potency. No matter whether you have light or not, it loses its potency in the refrigerator after 5 days. So just make as you would use per time, and after that, if you're left with some, you can discard and make a fresh batch. So I just added that rosemary leaf to it just for fun, nothing more. Just added that so that it can make the hair tea look beautiful. So I love to use my hair teas as a base for my moisture routine. Just as you can see, I parted my hair into 6 sections and I started spraying section by section, making sure to spray from my roots to my tip. That's how I love to use my hairspray. If you've been on this channel for a while, you already know. This spray can be used as a base for your hot oil treatment. It can also be used as a base before your deep conditioning. There are several ways you can use this spray to benefit your hair. Most importantly, make sure to spray this on your problem areas. Wherever you have problems, spray this on those areas, and then give yourself a gentle massage and then keep up with it. You can use this 2 to 3 times weekly to massage your scalp, but if your hair is bald, please spray this on those areas daily, on the bald areas only and not on your hair. If you're spraying this on bald areas, please listen, spray it on the bald areas every day for every week. I don't know if you understand what I mean. So if you're spraying on your hair, please spray 2 to 3 times weekly. Just use that as a base for your moisture routine. And if you want to extend the use, you can use it on your wash days. After rinsing out your deep conditioner, you can make this tea and pour it on your hair. Wait for 30 minutes, then rinse off with just water and you're good to go. Move on with moisturizing. You can also use this as a base for your moisture routine. Please, from 2 years upwards can use this spray. Please do not use on a 1-year-old baby. From 2 years can use this and upwards. I hope you understand me, because I know a lot of you would want to ask in the comment section below, asking Dima, can I use this for my baby? So from 2 years old baby can use this spray, and you are to store it in the refrigerator for only 5 days. And I mentioned earlier that if you store it for more than 5 days, it's going to lose its potency. So you don't say that this hair product is not working for you. So just know that after 5 days, you're going to discard the remnant and make a fresh batch. That brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please drop your questions in the comment section below. You guys already know that I attend to all questions. Ask me all the questions that you feel I didn't answer in this video. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.